Hello. All I know is a boy spanner boy. I just want you guys to know that this is my main page. And the verse. I can Nigeria. For first half they never score. Since Nigeria don't want to score, let me score to my belly. As far as the thing was rolling, all I see football. So far, this is my page. Follow this page. Where they won't come. Nigeria versus South Africa. Yeah. Since Nigeria never won first score, Nigeria doesn't want to score now. Let me force them and score with my fufu. Tap share. Follow this page. So guys, follow this page. This is Spanner FD. This is my main page. Spanner Trial. That is just a profile page. So this is just my main page. Follow this page for more videos. I'm not support the brother. Share, tap share, follow, invite, please. Invite friends to follow me. And followers. Please invite, tap share, tap share. I too funny, I greet you. I see you. Oh, Amanda, not Amanda Shante. We can't chop with that two hands. If you are watching this Nigerian and versus South Africa match now, they are not serious. So once you are eating fufu, you have to use a two hand so the thing will be going. I too funny, you never send me money. No provoke me for this life why they so. You know the story. No provoke me. Don't just make me vex. I never received a lot since then. Yes, Sam. Now I even borrow money to buy the fufu I use shop. So stop saying that. Amanda, you need to use two hands so that the fufu will go well.
Almost.
This is what we call fufu ball. So please tap share. We need follower for this page. You know what I mean? Okay. We need follower. Amanda, if like for my village, now they use 2 hand chop. Food where they use 2 hand chop. They make sense. They go well. I can't lay quack cake, I can't quack candy. You know, see, as they do like this now, it will go straight. Fufu is life. Life is fufu. Fufu is life. Life is fufu. For Nigeria, without fufu, we cannot survive. Oh. The way it is there now. Because the only fufu we say, if you mistakenly chop in the morning as early as my brother, say no more to hunger. Till in the afternoon or till in the evening. So I want to tell you guys that I love you so much. Please share. Please share. Please share. Glory, beauty, me, I know to trust them, we don't finish. I just Superman. I'm just looking for a way to go and steal Odela's own. Like that. Just made just come out and I will steal some food. I just have a bag of Samoa chop. Now they remember what chop. I can't remember say, oh, I supposed to enter life to use them chop. I greet you, glory, greet you. Glory, I greet you. I hope you chop food today. Today is Wednesday. Wednesdays, use Wednesdays to eat enough of food. You see the different and the good things about it. There is no way you eat fufu on Wednesdays that you will not enjoy it. So I love you guys. I love you guys. The reason why I have not been serious on this one is because there's no fufu. And there's no money to eat fufu. So I appreciate you guys following me, and I want to tell you guys I will not disappoint you guys. I will always do the best to make sure that you guys are happy. I remain Spanner Troy. I remain Spanner FD. Any other one I can't afford.
Give you
when I'm saying what I'm saying, you people don't want to believe me. Now food when person suppose chop, now I'm gonna carry the chop like this. After I was say all these things. With my food. Now the year me say my living food. My food, listen, I'm food. So that is it. You can see I'm sweating. You can see I'm sweating. And Nigeria is trying to do 1 or 2. Odela doesn't want to leave my fufu alone. Eh?
Don't finish your food. One more play with my own.
Okay, I don't finish my food. I just I think I say if I chop finish my food. That's what they do here.
You only phone a family on a short.
I'm not short, I'm taller than you.
Now they say I'm. So please follow, tap share. I love you guys. I'm still coming. And again, I too funny. I never receive a lot. Send my money for me. Because the shit that send money for me, I for them buy enough food. And I talk about you be like saying I play. But I need to play. Oh. This is gambling. Please. When I hear me tell them, no, I too funny. Let me tell them. Let me tell them. Make what I know got too much. So I love you all the fufu eaters, all my fellow fufulians, all my fellow fufulians. I love you all. Spanake, please tap share. Tap share.
I don't understand.
Tap share. Tap share. Tap share. Tap share. See you guys soon. We have some heat coming up, some food challenge coming up. Don't give up on Spanner. Spanner is still with you guys. Love you.
What's up?